Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best flex glue gel is probably one of the most versatile adhesives you can find. Today, we're diving deep into this as seen on TV product to see if it lives up to the hype. We'll be putting it to the test, exploring its claims of incredible strength and flexibility, and figuring out if it's the right solution for your repair needs. Get ready to see if this glue can truly handle anything you throw at it. Number 5. Gorilla Super Glue Gel, All-Purpose and Fast Setting. This is the Gorilla Super Glue Gel. It's perfect for all your projects and repairs. It's a fast-setting adhesive that you can rely on. The thick, no-run gel formula is ideal for vertical surfaces. Unlike liquid super glues, it stays where you put it. This makes it easy to use. This all-purpose glue bonds to glass, plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, paper, and more. It's designed to handle a wide range of materials. You can use it for almost anything. The glue dries crystal clear, leaving a discreet finish. It ensures that the focus remains on your project, not the adhesive. It's virtually invisible after drying. The special cap prevents the glue from drying out and clogging. It stays Gorilla Tough even after multiple uses. This helps to extend the life of the product. It sets in just 10 to 45 seconds, and no clamping is required. This means you can quickly complete your projects. It saves you time and effort. What we like. This glue's thick gel formula is perfect for vertical surfaces, so if you're working on a project where the glue needs to stay put, this is your go-to. It bonds to almost anything, making it incredibly versatile for all your repair needs. Plus, the crystal clear finish ensures that the focus remains on your project, not the adhesive. What people say. The gel formula makes it easy to control where the glue goes, so you don't end up with drips or sticky fingers. It sets fast but still gives you a few seconds to adjust if you need to. It holds tight every time. The clear finish dries clean and doesn't leave any visible residue, which makes it great for fixing decor or anything that needs to look neat. Number 4. Flex Super Glue Liquid, 5-pack. This is a high-performance cyanoacrylate glue. It bonds instantly in seconds. The super strong, quick-dry formula is crystal clear. It provides a powerful bond quickly. The precision tip makes delicate repairs easy. You can use it on various materials. It works on wood, metal, plastic, crafts, ceramic, and toys. This versatile glue is perfect for many projects. Verified by UL, one drop provides adhesion strength to lift 6,000 pounds. It is a reliable choice for any repair. What we like. With its instant bond and quick-dry formula, this glue is perfect for those quick fixes. The precision tip applicator makes delicate repairs a breeze, so if you're looking for a super glue that works fast and offers precise application, this is the one for you. What people say. Flex Glue Gel is great for vertical surfaces. The gel formula is great because it doesn't run. Flex Glue Gel works on wet surfaces. Number 3. Lucomb 36X 3G Super Strong Glue. This super glue comes in 36 individual 3-gram tubes, so there's no waste. Each tube is designed for single use, and you don't have to worry about it drying out before you're finished. This is a great solution for many projects. This instant adhesive creates strong chemical bonds in just 30 seconds without clamping. Simply clean the surfaces, apply the glue, align, and press. The glue is completely sealed until you twist the cap. The plastic applicator tip provides excellent control during application. The cap includes a rod to clear the tip each time you close it. This feature ensures the glue is always ready to use. This clear super glue is perfect for DIY projects, industrial repairs, and everyday fixes. It works great on glass, ceramics, fabric, metal, plastic, wood, rubber, leather, and jewelry. It's a versatile adhesive for various applications. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any issues with this fast-drying, strong adhesive glue, please contact us. We promise to solve the problem within 24 hours. Remember, it bonds to skin and eyes instantly, so seek immediate medical attention if contact occurs. What we like. This glue comes in individual tubes, ensuring no waste and multiple uses. The applicator tips give you good control, so if you like doing DIY crafts or need to repair small items, this is a great choice. What people say. Flex Super Glue Gel works great. It works on multiple surfaces. The gel is easy to use and doesn't run everywhere. Number 2. Weld SuperWeld 20G 2-pack. Introducing Weld SuperWeld, the professional-grade superglue. This product provides a high-strength bond in just seconds. It's perfect for various surfaces. The precision tip applicator allows for even and pinpoint application. This feature ensures you get the glue exactly where you need it, every time. SuperWeld 20G boasts a tensile strength rating of 3,500 psi. It creates a strong, durable bond that you can rely on. Forget waiting around. This product fully sets in just 30 seconds, saving you time and getting the job done quickly. This product works on all metals, stone, concrete, fiberglass, rigid plastics, glass, wood, and more. It's versatile enough for almost any project. What we like. This glue provides a high-strength bond in seconds. The precision tip applicator allows for even and pinpoint application, so if you need a strong and fast-acting adhesive for various materials, consider this. What people say. The gel formula is great because it doesn't run all over the place. It works great on a variety of surfaces. It is easy to use. Number 1. WOUSEDO Super Glue Gel. This set includes 12 single-use tubes of premium super glue gel. The fine-tip nozzle ensures precise application, and the single-use design keeps it fresh for every use. It's perfect for small repairs and on-the-go fixes. The ultra-strong cyanoacrylate gel has a thick, non-drip formula. This makes it ideal for vertical surfaces and porous materials. It bonds quickly and dries clear for seamless repairs. The self-piercing cap makes it easy to open, and the fine-tip nozzle allows for controlled application. Just apply a thin layer to clean, dry surfaces for the best results. Less glue means faster bonding. This super glue delivers industrial-strength adhesion on many materials. It creates instant, durable bonds on ceramics, metals, plastics, rubber, leather, wood, and most composites. Unlike other glues, it maintains superior bonding power even on irregular surfaces. Made with industrial-strength cyanoacrylate, it delivers professional-grade adhesion. Whether you're at home, in the office, or in the workshop, this glue is a reliable choice. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a quick solution. What we like. The single-use tubes ensure the glue stays fresh, and the thick, no-drip formula is ideal for vertical surfaces. If you are looking for a super glue that is easy to use, mess-free, and works on various materials, this is the perfect option. What people say. What I love about this glue is that it comes in 12 individual small tubes. The glue itself worked perfectly for me. I was able to fix a couple of Christmas porcelain figurines as well as a key fob. Glue is strong and dries quickly. Super Glue Gel delivers exactly what it promises: fast bonding, a strong hold, and clean, controlled application. The gel formula stays put without running. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.